Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's see the today's problem. Okay, before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so the today's question is Alex and air conditioner. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Alexa will turn on their air conditioner if and only if the temperature of the room is 30 degrees Celsius or above. Okay, the current temperature of the room is X degrees Celsius. Okay, will she turn on the air conditioner? Okay, so in the input, we have given a single integer which is a temperature of a room which is X degree Celsius. Okay, and what we have to do in this, we have to print yes if you will turn on the air conditioner, else we have to print no. Okay, so here in this sample input you can see that uh, the temperature of the room is 25, which is less than 30. So we cannot turn on the air conditioner in this case because the temperature of the room is below 30. Okay, so we have to only uh, turn on the air conditioner if and only if the temperature of the room, which is X, is greater than or equals to 30. Then only we can turn on the air conditioner and we can print yes. Okay, otherwise else we cannot turn on the air conditioner, so we have to print no in such cases. Okay, for example, in this sample input you can see that the X, which is temperature of the room, is 30. So in this case we can turn on the air conditioner, so we have to print yes. Okay, so this is the problem statement which we have given. Okay, so let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first what we can do, take the input scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, and then we have given one single integer which is uh, temperature of the room, which is X. So we write sc dot next int. Okay, and now what we have to do, we have to check that if the temperature of the room is greater than 30 or not. Okay, so for that what I can do, simply we can write the if else condition here, or we can do it by using the ternary operator. Okay, so what we can do, let's write system dot out dot println, and inside this what I can do, I will write the ternary operator condition. So X, will write the condition first, that is X is greater than equals to 20. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to print yes. Okay, else we have to print no. Okay, so this is the simple code for this problem. Let's try to run this and let's see whether it works or not. So I'll give the input, first input, which is 25. Okay, for this the output should be no. Let's see, so click on run. Okay, you can see that output is no. Okay, let's see for this second sample input. So I will give the input 30. Click on run. Okay, you can see that output is yes. which is correct. Okay, so now let's try to submit the code. So click on submit. Okay, here you can see that all the test cases have been passed. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. So दैट्स इट इन दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।